In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how I average $900 a day, working only 2 hours a day from my cell phone, and I'm going to break down for you exactly how you can do it too. If you're new over here, my name is Victoria. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel because you're going to want to come back to this. I'm going to teach you how content creation is the secret, and I'm going to show you how you can do this without even showing your face if that's something that you want to do. 2 years ago, I was a broke stay-at-home mom to 3 boys, and I was desperately looking for a way to make money from home so I didn't have to sacrifice any time with them. My husband is active duty Army and he was away a lot, so I needed something that would fit into the nooks and crannies of my busy schedule. Nothing came close to making me any kind of substantial income until I found digital marketing. I know what it's like to work a 9-to-5, and I also know what it's like to work 3 jobs and be severely underpaid. But now I have a 2-hour workday that looks completely different, and I don't need to chase people, I don't need to slide into anybody's DMs, and I don't need to spend all day glued to my phone. Instead, I focus my day on creating content on social media and learning the strategies that are going to keep my business growing. My 2-hour workday is simple but powerful. In my first hour, I create content for social media. These can be reels, these can be talking videos, these can be short form content. And don't stress this at all because inside of my coaching that you get access to, I teach you exactly what videos to create and how to create them. I focus on creating content that is going to give value and that is going to build trust. The second hour of my 2-hour workday, I just focus on learning the marketing strategies. I've been doing this about 2 years now, and I have primarily focused on marketing on other social media platforms, but now I'm learning YouTube marketing strategies. That's it. By creating content that actually helps people and teaches people a skill, I've learned to build systems that are working for me 24/7, even when I'm chasing kids around the house or when I'm cooking dinner or when I'm doing laundry. My system is still working for me 24/7 on autopilot. In 2025, content is currency. Businesses need eyeballs, and everybody's eyeballs are on social media. The more valuable content you put out there, the more people you're going to reach, and then the more opportunities you have to earn. Think about it. The biggest brands in the world are creating content. It's because attention equals income. When you know how to get in front of the right people with the right message, you can build a business that grows even while you're offline. And here's the best part for all of you introverts. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. Now, I will totally recommend face-forward content if you are somebody like me who wants to make bank. Because anybody that you see that is making 5 figures a month, that has hit 6 or 7 figures, most of these people are face-forward. But you can still make thousands on social media without ever showing your face. And here's how. The secret is AI. AI can literally write you scripts for TikTok to use on Reels or in stories. AI can generate captions and hooks for you that are going to convert. It can create voiceovers for you so you don't even need to use your own voice. And it can design carousels for you or images or even videos, and no design skills are even needed. I work with busy moms, business owners, and even introverts who have built thriving businesses without ever showing their face on social media. The truth is that digital marketing is the most in-demand skill right now. Every business needs customers, and customers are online. That means that content creators and digital marketers have one of the biggest advantages because we're the ones that are connecting the people to the product and the services that they're looking for. I didn't need to create the program that I market at all. It was already created for me. I just got the resale rights. That is how I'm able to average $900 a day. And so that's all you do. You get the resale rights on somebody else's program, on something that somebody else already created that is in high demand. And then you learn the marketing strategies to market it. If you want to learn how to do exactly what I do, creating content, having simple systems that are working for you that you didn't even need to create, and making income online without sacrificing time with your family, I've got you. Go to the link in my description below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to learn more about what I do. And if you want to learn more about what digital products and affiliate marketing actually is, make sure you check out my next video. See you soon.